Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Chan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry Cookmas Day 16. Guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me for Cookmas, where I'm giving you guys daily videos throughout the holiday season for the month of December. Today's recipe is inspired by one of my favorite desserts at the Applebee's restaurant, which is the maple nut blondie. So we're gonna go ahead and make a version of that dessert. It is a thick and chewy blondie that's usually served warm and topped with ice cream, and it usually has walnuts or pecans. In this case, it only takes a few ingredients to make, and we're gonna go ahead and have that wonderful dessert at home. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video, and especially during Cookmas. So let's go ahead and get started.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
Alright guys, so here we have it. These are maple nut blondies. Pretty much like a thick and chewy brownie, but in this case it's infused with all that maple flavor and the walnuts. One of my favorite desserts, especially when it's served with ice cream. It's kind of like brownie a la mode style. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you do like blondies. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Happy holidays. Bye guys.
When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Something unexpected happens, you can't let it go. Caught up in your own distraction. Why you try not to lose your mind, not to believe the lies that you tell yourself, that you